up, everybody? Back with another one. These superstars that lost their mind. What's up with Jaheim? Jaheim, yes, the singer Jaheim. Bob run across this video of him hoarding dogs, selling dogs, looking like he homeless, living out of the trailer. It's a police body cam. Come check it out. You don't believe me? Yes, Jaheim. What is this wrong with these people?
Fulton County Animal Control responded to a disturbing call at the shops of Buckhead in Atlanta, Georgia. A large copper-red dog, malnourished and left unattended, was spotted near an RV. But when officers approached, a man aggressively intervened, declaring the dog wasn't going anywhere and claiming the area was private property. The next day, Sergeant Penman and Animal Control returned. The same RV, a 2024 Forest River Georgetown, sat parked nearby. The man again refused to cooperate, recording officers and identifying himself only as the Hoagland Family Trust. But paperwork he was holding revealed his real identity, Jaheim Hoagland, better known as the R&B singer Jaheim. Eventually, Jaheim revealed the dog, who appeared severely emaciated, with bones visibly protruding. The dog was scored 2 out of 9 on a body condition chart, extremely unhealthy. Hoagland claimed the animal was only 11 months old and that he fed it regularly. Animal Control issued him a warning and requested veterinary records. But this wasn't Jaheim's first run-in with animal cruelty. In 2021, he was charged in New Jersey for housing 15 dogs in horrific conditions. As more complaints rolled in, officers tracked his RV from a BP station to Buckhead Square. The investigation continues, but one thing is clear. Questions surrounding Jaheim's treatment of animals are growing louder.
You lost your mind.
Take my phone, please. Take my phone, please. What are you arresting for? Why y'all searching through my bus? First of all, they gonna tell you everything. You don't have to put the cuffs on me like that, man. Why you hurt my wrist? You put these cuffs on too tight, man. Hold on, my shit. Bro, what are you doing this for, man? Why you letting him treat me like that, man? You all hostile, man. Not really. You should have called. Why you doing that? I had to call my people to let them know what's going on. You called today, Craig. You don't know me? Hold on, what are you arresting me for? What's like everything? First of all, you're searching something that's illegal, my man.
Not with a search warrant, sir.
It's not under my name.
We have a search warrant,
It's
though.
not under my name.
Hoagland Family Trust, I know what it's under.
It's not my name.
I have a search warrant.
So what?
So we have grounds for the police.
You was chief of police, so what? You don't have jurisdiction over that bus.
We have a search warrant.
That's a private bus. That's a lawsuit.
He done lost his mind. He done lost his mind.
Shit don't make no sense, man. Y'all been harassing me for a week for some damn dogs. Excuse me? Why you pushing to my
stuff younger generations be doing. My nephew's still doing that dog stuff, selling them, breeding them. But Jaheim, you're an old motherfucker.
The dog is all right.
They can sing, got talent.
Be on
YouTube, making money.
Go ahead.
What do I have handcuffs on?
Because you have a warrant for animal cruelty, sir.
Why do I have a warrant for animal cruelty?
Because of the condition of your dogs.
What condition of what dogs?
The dogs you have in your RV, sir.
What dogs?
The dogs in your RV.
Those are not under my name.
They're in your custody and care right now.
I'm not driving their buses. Why?
Oh, you're not?
Put them in close by. Put your feet in. Turn around. Put your feet in.
Oh, ain't your bus, and you ain't driving it.
Pull them out.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Can we figure something out? Because this is like
Make sure you don't have anything.
This is making sense, man. Why are you taking my babies, man? You don't have my keys back, please?
No, sir. Sorry.
Get that.
This is making
I gotta take that jewelry off. Take this out of the jail. Can we just go inside?
You can take it off and we get what we got. Can you put your camera on, please? Where you
Taking it off right now.
I don't see the red button. It's on. Y'all got your cameras on? If you taking my gold chain off, I'm gonna be suing you, miss. Both of y'all. Yes, I am. The trust will be suing you. I'm
You
not
know
even mad
these
at you.
folks care more about their
But this is
dogs
illegal. This is
than
all
you.
illegal. Everything.
Are you okay with leaving that?
No, I'm not. If you're taking it off of me now, you should be with me, not on the RV.
It's going to property.
It's gonna go on our property.
Okay, let's go. Why are you taking it off of me now?
Because you can't take it into the jail.
I know how this. I've been arrested before.
I get that.
You're supposed to put it in a plastic bag.
I get that. I will.
Keys and all of that.
I know.
Let me help you out. If you wouldn't have the cuffs so tight, this wouldn't happen. You're trying to break my arm, putting the cuffs on me. You see what you caused right here? You happy now? Are you happy? You want to be a cop so bad. You're not a cop. Devil, that's what you are. Devil. Nosy ass devil. That's none of your business. What goes on with those dogs? It's none of your business.
How you
Hold
take
on,
this?
trying to take one.
It's kind of windy out here. I hope I don't get that muffled sound. I lost my little muffle thing at the top.
Makes no sense, man. But this isn't illegal. This is all illegal. Everything. No, I'm not. If you're taking it off of me now, it needs to be with me. Not on the RV.
It's going to property. It's going to go on our property.
Okay, let's go. Why are you taking it off of me now?
You can't take it into the jail.
I know how to stop. I've been arrested before.
I get that.
You're supposed to put it in a plastic bag.
I get that. I will.
The keys and all of that.
I know.
Mental illness is real.
What?
I think he's suffering.
What was the harm of cruelty on me?
Go ahead and get
Step
some.
back on. So do 5 additional warrants for the puppies?
Yeah, I don't know if you saw the condition. So all the puppies that were right here all had way overgrown fingernails. They had feces clustered around their nose and all in their paws and in their coat.
So it's 5 puppies?
It's 3 puppies here. Then there was the big boy.
Okay, so I do a 1 for the 3 puppies?
Yeah, get the information from Bonnie as far as sex and...
Yeah, if you could just text me. So like I said, I'll do for the 3 puppies, the female, and then the male dog. I already got 1 for the male dog, so when they're up here.
Yep. And that one, make sure that one had like hair missing on its back. It almost looked like scars or something. Just get a detailed record of that if you even need to look at the dogs. And then just be detailed on where they were located. So like the little French bulldog that had scars on the back.
That's
Mama
horrible.
there. That she was flipped upside down with feces and urine caked to the side. Same, all of them had feces and urine caked on them. Overgrown fingernails.
So yeah, just...
Jaheim, they all up in your stuff.
Oh, it's...
See this shit now? Because we ain't got nothing to do. Exactly. I don't understand, man. I'm for some damn dogs, bro. For one dog.
hold it.
Just relax. Just relax. Just relax, bro.
This one right here?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. But you know what? Overall, you know, God has got the last word. God got the last. I'm not angry. I'm just upset a little bit.
Is this your friend?
Guys, bro? Okay. Yeah, I'm
Okay. Hey, I'm just gonna... You're willing to take the bus? No, take it. Okay. Can you get off phone?
No, phone.
Okay, we'll be right here.
I'm right here, John. Hey, Cliff, I'm gonna talk to you later, all right? Everybody.
I'm sorry, what's the best thing?
He's going to jail. You're gonna take him.
I'll put it back on real quick.
There you go.
So you got the warrant?
He has one. Yep.
So what? What do you think? I'm gonna put some things up.
I'm gonna try to do that, man. It's all right.
Right now. Okay, we're giving this to him. Phone. Gold chain with that necklace.
Oh, can we take this stuff? Could I take
You're
this
going to. I want to show him that we're giving it all back.
My other stuff is in the hotel. You can grab it from me.
Okay.
See the bracelet in there?
Yeah,
Out
bracelet
there,
and
and this ain't
ring
your
right here.
RV, is that what
And
you're
then you have,
saying?
is it lipstick or lip gloss and then this? Okay?
I don't wear lipstick.
Yep. All right.
Good time.
So you're just
All right,
coming
all that is going with him. Okay. So get your driver's license.
over there, Jaheim, to purchase some dogs, and you got caught up in this?
Hey, can I
history.
show him how to do the slide first?
You can tell him.
So the
though.
door's damaged. I can't even lock it.
You know what though? You can probably just go to the. Well,
I'm gonna take it to get fixed.
just they sell the doors at the
Yeah, I'll get it.
by the house.
Let me get you situated. I got
So
it.
look, the slide. You know how to do
I thought
the
that
slide
was
on the
your
doors?
RV.
I got you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
So on the
Yeah,
door.
bring them in. Yeah.
You know how to do that?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
So we're just going to document and report that.
Will he have an appearance tonight?
Probably not. More likely tomorrow.
So they're gonna hold me in jail?
Well, you'll see the judge and then you'll get a bond.
So no appearance today.
I mean, possibly. Depending on the time you get there.
It's early. I wish we can because this is a misunderstanding. That's all it is. It shouldn't be a warrant. It shouldn't be a warrant situation. Hey, ma'am, did the dogs look unhealthy to you? No, I mean, you took the pictures though, right?
Who's the dog? The animal control.
The ladies back there, the bobbies back there. Hey, the trust. At this moment, the trust.
201.
What you gonna say?
Well, you know what's real good that where we were located at, there's cameras there. You can see us feeding and watering and walking and everything. So
I thought they
I'm gonna have to secure the police cameras that's over there where the bus was at too.
Dogs.
Because you can see that. And I had officers come over there. 5 officers saw the dogs and it was like everything was
So you're
okay.
driving. Just taking it. You're going to leave your car here?
So this is one for the other person to install that stuff.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question, man. Okay, no mind. You want the police station now?
And you said you were okay with him getting your stuff out the hotel, correct?
Yeah, they already know. They already
Okay,
did.
he's taking your stuff out of the hotel. All right. Okay.
Hey, folks. Just tell them, show them that you got with the bus that you want to come to get the job.
Okay, the hotel, right? Yeah, he's right here. He's gonna take me out. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to get this situation.
I'm trying to figure this out though. How did police know I was here? Did they put a tracker on that property right there?
Ain't nobody tracking you.
There you go.
You're so mean.
That dog is
Nah, if we find another one, no. We all lose, and I would rather have that.
Is that a puppy?
That's the latest on Jaheim, the R&B singer now facing 6 counts of animal cruelty. According to court documents, he's accused of failing to provide food, water, proper ventilation, and sanitary conditions for 6 dogs: Tweet, Tip, Taka, Tink, Timber, and Tanger. It's a serious case, and we'll be watching closely to see how it unfolds. If you found this video informative, hit that like button, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for breaking news. This is Badge Chronicles. Stay locked in, stay informed, and we'll catch you.
Badge Chronicles. Thank you, Badge Chronicles. That was crazy. I need an update on Jaheim. Anybody got an update on how he's doing since his arrest in April of 2025? What's going on with these superstars? They lost their mind. Had all the money, all the talent, and now dealing with this low budget ass shit. Yeah, comment down below. What do y'all think is going on with Jaheim? Talk to you later. Peace.